Cliron's frozen and dry goods retailing on their grand opening last year, December 8, 2020, in their store located at number 2 Santo Rosario, Building Corner Ledesma-Fuentes Street, Iloilo City. Their store opens 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Mondays to Saturdays. But before anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. And please do share this video to all your friends and comment down below regarding to this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Drinking Nose, at para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. And please sa mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. And also, I would like to greet all of you a Happy New Year, Happy 2021 sa lahat po mga nose natin. I hope na maging blessed po yung year natin. I hope this will be a good year for us, for families, for our relatives, for our loved ones. Thank you so much sa inyo for being part of my 2019, 2020. I would like to thank all of you sa lahat po ng mga nose nag-support sa akin. And I'm happy and proud to announce, ka-reach lang po natin ng 100,000 views po sa Drinking Nose YouTube channel. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng support, sa niniwala sa akin, sa mga advices, sa mga mentors ko, sa mga bigo friends ko, sa family, sa relatives, and also sa mga kapwa vloggers ko dito sa Iloilo and also sa Manila. Sa mga na-brand collab ko sa mga owners, sa mga chefs, sa mga baristas, sa mga staff, and also sa mga riders. So thank you so much sa lahat po ng support nyo and for always continuing trusting Drinking Nose. For this episode, ito po, summarize lang po ng ano naganap dun sa grand opening ng Cliron's and also featuring to taste test review regarding sa Terante's Catering. So I'm very lucky enough to invite ako for their grand opening dun sa store nila. And also na-meet ko personally and finally si Ma'am Jonah, owner of Mocha Milktea. Thank you for your time. And also kay Ma'am Sheila, na-meet ko siya when it comes sa starting her own business dito sa Iloilo. So, wish you all the best, Ma'am. I hope na more drinks, more success sa iyong business. Also, Cliron's family invited their family and friends and also their relatives to join and celebrate and witness the grand opening of their store. It was assisted by Pastor Troy. Also, Ma'am Sharon gave a speech kung paano nag-start yung Cliron, yung struggles nila, and come up ng ganitong business, and also to help our fellow Ilonggos mag-start ng business. It may be small business or big businesses. Na-meet ko din yung iba't ibang opinion, preferences, yung mga friends sila dun sa store, especially when it comes sa standards sila, when it comes sa Milktea reviews, and also their critic. When it comes sa the Terante's Catering, it has a wide variation of choices of foods, most especially starting off with their soup, pancit, and delicious seafoods dishes. Also, meron silang spaghetti, chicken, and all sorts of meats. Not only that, meron silang desserts and also pastries. Based on my observation, yung mga guests sobrang na-enjoy dun sa foods nila. Pa-spaghetti, mapa-sweets, main dish, sobrang na-enjoy sila for its experience and also for its taste value. For my taste and review, when it comes to their foods, so we give it a perfect 10 for my overall experience when it comes to their services and wonderful foods. Once again, thank you so much Cliron's Frozen and Dry Goods Retailing for inviting me for your grand opening and always supporting Drinking Nose. And it was a fun and memorable experience, and I was able to meet some Milktea owners here in Iloilo City. Please do check out their Facebook page and Instagram account when it comes to their products, supplies, and services. And please do check out my taste test review regarding their products and foods. So this has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesus, saying, keep safe mga nose! Happy New Year! Happy 2021 mga nose!